I just spit out some wild numbers for XRP that honestly made me do a double take. We're talking about a 69% pump prediction with 97.5% confidence. But before you get too excited, there's something you need to know. Let's break it down. So here's where we are right now with XRP. We're sitting at $1.0014, down about 0.21% in the last 24 hours. Nothing too dramatic there, just your typical sideways action. But here's what caught my attention. The RSI is sitting at 37.55, which means we're in oversold territory. You know what I've noticed? When XRP gets this oversold, it usually doesn't stay there for long. Now let me tell you about the technical picture, because this is where it gets interesting. That RSI at 37.55 is screaming oversold, and we're trading about 21.75% below the 200-day moving average. Here's the thing though, the MACD is still looking bearish, and all the major moving averages are stacked against us. It's like the market can't make up its mind right now. The big macro story today is how XRP is moving opposite to traditional markets. We've got an 85% negative correlation with the S&P 500 right now. That means when stocks go up, XRP tends to go down. It's been acting more like a risk-off asset lately, which is, honestly, a bit unusual for crypto. On the regulatory front, well, there's not much breaking news, but the ETF flows are telling a story. XRP ETFs pulled in $6.2 million in net inflows recently. That's institutional money saying, we still believe in this thing. When the big players are quietly accumulating, that usually means something. The mood right now is pretty neutral. The fear and greed index is sitting at 41, so we're not seeing panic or euphoria. Search interest for XRP is at 33, which is relatively low. You know what this tells me? The retail crowd isn't paying attention yet. Sometimes that's exactly when opportunity knocks. Here's where it gets really interesting. The whales are making moves. We saw 97 whale transactions totaling over 328 billion XRP. That's 99.99% of all trading volume coming from big players. When whales are this active, things are about to get volatile. Now for the Elliott Wave stuff. In plain English, we're in what's called a C-wave correction, which is basically the final part of a pullback. The Wyckoff analysis suggests we're in stage B of a markdown phase. What does that mean? Well, we might be setting up for either a bounce or more sideways action before the next big move. So what does the AI think? Buckle up for this one. The AI is predicting XRP could hit $1.6922 in just one day. That's a 69% jump with 97.5% probability. For the week, it's calling $1.2901, and for the month, $1.5032. Now wait, before you mortgage your house, let me tell you why I'm a bit skeptical of these numbers. Here's what could go wrong, and honestly, there are a few things keeping me up at night. First, those AI predictions seem a little too optimistic. A 69% pump in one day? That's lottery ticket territory. Second, with 99.99% of volume coming from whales, this market is basically controlled by a handful of players. That's concerning. My overall take? I'm saying hold/wait for now. If you absolutely must buy, here's what I'd do. Wait for an entry between 95 cents and 98 cents. Set your stop loss at 88 cents because you don't want to ride this thing to zero. Target number one would be $1.15, and if we get really lucky, maybe $1.30. But honestly, I'd rather wait for a clearer signal than chase these AI predictions. That's it for today. Remember, I'm just looking at AI data here, not giving financial advice. If this analysis helped you see the bigger picture, hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you next time, and stay safe out there.